So let's move on with the second problem. As you can see here, this part of the problem, let me just draw and put a circle. You might get confused in this part, but there's nothing to worry and think "Okay, it's very complicated or something. There is an angle over here named as alpha and another angle as beta, but it's nothing. So the trick in the question is they have told normally like the previous sum, it inclines for 45 degree and the side length is 25. Here it was 25, but we took 50 just because I wanted to like make it like visible to you all. So not a problem. So now here what he's saying is the lamina makes 45 degree with HP with and one of its median is inclined at 40 degree to VP. So here 45 degree for HP they have said, but for VP it says not the side is not inclined, but this median you can see, right, this line over here. My accuracy was almost good, but okay, no problem. So this median line, if I have to make it dark, see, this median line is inclined to VP at 40 degree. So there is a small step for that which I'll explain you while making what to say, explaining in the CAD software, and also you will be getting this video where I have solved in the book. So if you are viewing this video as soon as I have uploaded, so you might not be like the video in which I have like done in the book might not be available. So I might take some time to just draw the sum, record it and explain it and put. So in the sum I'll just draw and say one or two places where it is required to say, and then I'll just say you to watch this video because I've explained you properly in this. So let's move on with the problem and solve it. And don't what to say comment about the English and the what to say accidents of the words. It's just that it happens sometimes. Okay, not a problem. As you can see, before explaining you guys, I've already like solved this problem. So let me just like tell you how to do like all this problem. So if I hit on Control Z here, sorry. Oh man, I don't want to magnify it. I'll just keep it in a proper way. Okay, Control Z. See, so okay, so I cannot go much further. So you know that. So the basic steps, what you have to do. First, draw the triangle, name it A, B, C, give the dimension, name here. So top view, front view. Then it moves 45 degree. Put the projections like that. Now it comes. See. Now what you have to do. Array. Why am I not able to go for redo? Okay, so as you can see here, first I have to like draw a line, any length, but it should be 40 degree. Okay, as they have told in the question. Then select any point, tap this arc by center point. First, before selecting that, you have to note the length of this. That is 21.651. Select this option now, arc by center point, tap anywhere, then type 21.651 and then cut it. So that's what I have done. As you can see, if I see, I took this point and cut the arc. Then after that, what you have to do, and just trim the extra part. So this is the arc which I have cut from this point till this point. And then you have to draw a line, chained line exactly towards the arc. Okay, so you have to draw the line exactly over here. So now then what you do, you have to like select this length now. What's the length of this? 15.309, right? So select this again, arc by center point, 15.309, same point here. From this point tap it, then hit the length 15.309 and cut here. Okay, so if you cut, you can get an arc like this, then just join from here to here. Okay, see, you joined it, and then you have to like move this whole part, tap, select this whole three sides of triangle, move it, and then just rotate it with the rotating tool. If you have seen the previous video, you know how to do this. And then I'll just move these A and B parts and then type C here, and then I will what to say extend the projections from C to X Y line, A to this line, B to this line. So I took the wrong line, so I'll just edit them later. And then you have to draw the visible lines. So see, this is the C, this is AB, since it was like I had selected the wrong type of line and I just changed it. Then you have to name it C dash, A dash, B dash. Then you have to type HP, VP, XY, and then I just moved it to their respective locations. Since this was extra, I just cut and trimmed those lines and replace it. So now the dimensions were missing. I put the dimensions here. 65 place. You have to do it like beta is equals to 65 degree, and then okay, sorry. Then at the end you have to mention the dimension. So we forgot to write the names for the dimension DD. Here it will be D and here also it will be D because we are showing D dimension. You can simply change here also D1 and here D2. Why? Because the lengths are different, right? So I can't type DD. So let me just delete them. Delete and select the move option and turn on the copy thing. So D1 is this, right? Array. Oh, it came actually. And this is the D2. Escape. Why is this here? Escape. Delete you. I don't want you. Done. Okay, so that's the only thing. So actually what you have to do in the main thing here is first you take 40 degree, right? They say the median is inclined to the VP at 40 degrees. So first what you do, draw the 40 degree line, cut this median. So you have to compass, you have to measure this length from here till here and cut any arc. Where you have cut, just put a exactly 0 degree line. Then on the same line, you have to measure this part, point पे रखो and cut करो. Okay, and just because I actually recorded the whole video, but then I realized that it was not recording this screen, CAD software screen, and it was actually recording the background screen. So I did not repeat all the steps again. I just showed you from undo and redo. So if you want me to explain this again, you can just type in the comment and I'll be kind enough to do it again and show you. If not, you can just understand in the video where I'll be solving the same sum in the book. So since it was helpful for you to understand, please like, share and subscribe, and how to say, what else can I say, just do it.